Hey guys, welcome back to Product Review Hub. Today we'll be looking at the thinnest laptops you could find in the market or probably in the world today. But before we go into that, don't forget to like this video and also click the subscribe button below so you won't miss out on any other amazing review videos. When it comes to devices such as phones, laptops, and so on, most people prefer their portable, light, and smart ones. Several years ago, laptops were very heavy with a huge chassis and big batteries, and you could barely carry them around even though they were meant to be mobile. In recent times, laptop chassis have continued to shrink. Manufacturers have now made them thinner, slimmer, and lighter. This reduction in size and weight did not affect the battery life and performance, but they continue to improve instead. I love this improvement and it just keeps getting better. We will be looking at the thinnest and slimmest laptops in 3 different categories. Some laptops have been made thinner than others due to their display, screen size, and so we'll be reviewing the thinnest laptops under 13-inch, 14-inch, and 15-inch categories respectively. The Samsung Galaxy Chromebook is the thinnest 13-inch laptop. It is a 2-in-1 device, which means it's a laptop and also a Chromebook. At the same time, it is 0.39 inches thick. The diminutive size of this laptop is considered its greatest strength. This particular Chromebook is unlike the ones that you've seen. It comes with a 4K display. It's 9.9 millimeters thick, which is just 0.05 millimeters less than the Acer Swift 7 thickness, the previous thinnest laptop, which is 9.95 millimeters thick. There is a remarkable fact about the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook which makes it also unique. It's the thinnest 13-inch laptop, thinnest 2-in-1 device, and also the thinnest Chromebook. It's a win for the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook in 3 ways. The Samsung Galaxy Chromebook is not sacrificing anything to get so thin. Incredibly, it is one of the first Chromebooks to present a 4K display powered by a 10th Gen Intel Core i5-10210U CPU and a storage of 256 GB. You will need a deep pocket to be able to afford one of these, as it is very expensive and one of the most expensive Chromebooks out there. It costs a whopping $1,000. Since the Galaxy Chromebook is so thin, we wouldn't expect it to be heavy as it only weighs 2.2 pounds and it's made from aluminum. The battery life of this Chromebook leaves much to be desired, and it has pushed a different vision for the future of Chrome OS products. The aluminum chassis of the Chromebook is available in Fiesta Red or Mercury Gray. The material it is made up of gives it a smooth look. It's a beautiful device. The keyboard is a bit flat and the keys feel nice and clicky. The trackpad is a bit stiff compared to other premium laptops, although it has a good overall experience. Another amazing feature about the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook is that it is a foldable device that can be converted into tablet mode. The Samsung Galaxy Chromebook might have won the category for the thinnest 13-inch laptop, but under the 14-inch laptop category, we have the Acer Swift 7 to be the thinnest so far. As I said earlier, it's just 0.05 millimeters thicker than Samsung Galaxy Chromebook, which puts it at 9.95 millimeters thick. It weighs 2.2 pounds, the same as Samsung Galaxy Chromebook. Although Acer Swift 7 is still powered by the older generation 8th Gen dual-core processor, this laptop costs $1,700. That's the price for being so thin. This 9.95 mm thick laptop is thinner and lighter than some magazines. The producers of this stunningly slim laptop have put a remarkable amount of engineering into achieving these great feats. You'll be stunned by how rigid the lid is despite its lightness. Acer Swift 7 is made from magnesium lithium and magnesium aluminum alloys, which account for its strength and lightness. The Swift 7 is available in the market in 2 colors, white and black. The black Swift 7 has a matte finish. It's very elegant and the lines are clean with an overall minimalist design. The hinges are tough. You'll need both hands to open the lid. One hand will hold the base steady and the other opens the lid, so you don't end up pushing the whole laptop over. The 14-inch screen covers almost the entire surface of the laptop with a very thin borderline around it. The Acer Swift 7 has no webcam above the screen. It's been designed into a pop-up module below the keyboard deck, and even the power button doesn't look like one as it has been integrated into a fingerprint sensor. The power button is positioned in an unusual spot, although it favors left-handed users. We've seen the thinnest 13-inch and 14-inch laptops and some of the incredible features they possess. Now we'll be looking at the thinnest and slimmest 15-inch laptop in the world at the moment. For the 15-inch laptop category, Microsoft Surface Laptop 3 comes in at the thinnest laptop at just 0.4 inches, and when converted into millimeters, it's approximately 10.2 millimeters thick. This laptop is slim and also light-framed. The 15-inch Microsoft Surface laptops are powered by AMD Ryzen 5 3580U processor, while the storage is just 16 GB RAM and 256 GB SSD, which is disappointing and low for a laptop that costs $1,600. Although people who can tolerate its low power and storage capacity might not seem to be bothered, as they might not be using it for the heavy work. The Surface Laptop 3 is made from metallic aluminum chassis. The right and left sides of the laptop seem to be wasted. It could have speakers, more ports, and a SD card reader could be included with just a little change in the width and length specs. Well, there is something about the keyboard. It gives an amazing typing experience because while typing, the keys give a more vertical travel feel. The touchpad is another excellent feature of the keyboard. Surface Laptop 3's 4.5 by 3-inch touchpad gives smooth scrolling and excellent responsiveness while navigating through documents and web pages. Its zooming, pinching, and 3-finger navigation gesture also works perfectly. Well, the Surface Laptop 3 was supposed to show us more of what a non-Intel powered laptop can do. It is the first flagship portable integrated with AMD and Microsoft collaboration. The Surface Laptop line began with Microsoft's Alcantara fabric dedicated to it. The aluminum finish of the Laptop 3 is available in a unique silver or black color. This is a great feel for the product. The laptop feels very light, weighing 3.4 pounds and measuring 339.5 by 224 by 14.69 mm. One of the reasons for the lightness of the Surface Laptop 3 is that it has lesser pieces of hardware and other visible features. For instance, it has only 2 ports and there is no dedicated graphic. We do not know why Microsoft didn't take advantage of the fuller 15-inch form. There is just too much wasted space on this laptop. Nevertheless, the display is perfect for text-based works and digital media creations. The screen also retained Microsoft's signature as a 3:2 aspect ratio, and its screen resolution is very sharp and can serve various purposes for different sorts of cases. We've seen all categories of thinness from 13-inch 2-in-1 Galaxy Chromebook to 14-inch Acer Swift 7 and also the 15-inch Microsoft Surface Laptop 3. We've seen that the 0.39-inch Chromebook is the thinnest so far. Therefore, we can now conclude that the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook is the thinnest laptop in its category and also overall. Which of these laptops is your favorite? Let us know in the comments section below, and don't forget to like this video and also click the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any other interesting videos. Thanks for staying with us until the end, and we will see you next time.